Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm going to be playing this 1983 Gibson E2 Explorer through a Marshall JCM 900 half stack. And we're going to be checking out this awesome ZVex Fuzz Factory 7. It's a limited edition pedal that they're making that has some original 1950s black glass germanium capacitors. It's super cool. Let's check it out. So ZVex found some original 1950s black glass capacitors, and he fell in love with them so much, he was so happy about them that he rebuilt his iconic Fuzz Factory around them. And actually when you plug it in, some little lights light up and you can see the capacitors themselves. It also has a tone in it. You can bypass some of the highs. You can swap some of them out with this little switch. You don't necessarily have to use that, which is super nice. It's got all of the common things that you see in the original Fuzz Factory. On top of that, it also has the fat knob, which on this is a 7-way switch for a host of different capacitors, so you can kind of get different sounds out of it. You can get super bright, you can get super fat. It is by far the most versatile Fuzz Factory out there. It's a beautiful pedal. I'm a Final Fantasy VII fan, and this is an FF7 pedal, so I bought it. I gotta have one. They're beautiful, hand-painted, still run on 9-volt power supply. It's got all the stuff you love about it. Cheers. If you liked this video, you should subscribe to our channel and maybe go to GuitarChimp.com where we have amazing things.